Today we will learn how to apply round corner and animation effect. So let's dive into the timeline. First we will create a color map. I am using the red here, but you can use any color. Drag and drop the color map in the timeline and then make it bigger. Now go to the project panel where there's a PNG file. Drag this image above the color map layer in the timeline. Adjust the picture layer to match the size of the matte. Next go to the effect panel and search for the transform effect. Apply this effect to the picture layer. Then go to effect controls and position the picture where you want it. Now search for the crop effect and apply it to the picture layer. In the effect controls, crop the image as needed. After that, search for the round edge effect and apply it to the picture layer. In the effect controls, set the border to 128%. Fractal influence to 0 and edge sharpness to 10. You will see that the picture has round into a round shape. If you increase the border value, it will become even more rounded, but I leave it at the original shape. Now go to the beginning of the timeline. And in the motion section, you will animate the picture using keyframes. First, turn on the scale keyframes, move 5 frames forward, and reduce the scale. And turn on the position keyframes, and after 5 more frames, move the picture to the right. Next, I'll add text to the timeline saying welcome to my channel. I'll increase the size and arrange the text nicely. Then go to the effect panels and apply my custom slide up-down preset to both text layers. Now if I play it, you will see the animation is an effect. In effect controls, I'll set the position keyframes, move 5 frames forward and shift the picture to the left. I'll also create a scale keyframes and increase the scale. Now when we play it, you will see the entire effect in action. For more amazing video editing tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel and keep an eye out for upcoming videos.